Hello and welcome to another video by Windowparts. Today we will be doing a tutorial on how to replace a Millenco cam on a Millenco 117 lock. First off, we need to take off the 6 screws on the faceplate as pointed out in the video. This can be done with a T15 Torx bit on either an Allen key type tool or an attachment to your drill. Once this is done, remove the faceplate from the lock to expose the innards of the lock case. It is always a good idea that once you have this part exposed, take a picture so that you can use this to reference when you're putting it back together to make sure you have everything in the right place. Then, using some sort of tool to help you pick the pieces out, pick them up one by one and place them opposite you in the order in which you took them out to again help you when putting this stuff back together, because obviously it can get a bit confusing, especially if you've never done it before. It can be a bit daunting, but it is quite easy once you have the picture and if you place the bits back in the correct order. Once all the bits are out, take the old part out, take the new part, place the new part in. Then, in reverse, put the bits back together one by one. Of course, if you get stuck, reference the picture you took earlier to make sure you have everything back in the same order. Once this is done, take a can of silicone lubricant. Any silicone lubricant will do. We specifically use GT85 on all of our lock repairs. This is also available from us on our store. Once this is done, take the faceplate and place it back on top. You will find there were 2 ball bearings that are meant to go on it on 2 little springs inside. Make sure these ball bearings are in the same place they were when you took it off. Once the faceplate is on there, sitting nice and tight, nice and flat, put the 6 screws back in and tighten it back into place. Once these 6 screws are back in, take your door handle and just make sure that everything is working nice and smoothly. Thank you very much for watching. Goodbye.